In this video, I'm going to be reviewing Descript. Descript is an all-round editing app, but my main use case has been for transcribing and for using a feature they call Overdub. I'll go into that more later on, but the overview of Descript is that's good for podcasting, for podcasters, video editing, screen recording, and transcription, which is what I use it for. Now, if you click on the link below, you'll get to this website, and you can read through the features and you can have a look at the little videos and the little demos. I'm just briefly going to go over the features and the highlights, and then I'll show you a demo myself of how I use Descript. So they go through, what I've noticed that they aim at a lot at podcasters and audio creators, even though they have a video section. Well, that's my opinion anyway. I know a lot of podcasters really like Descript, so I might as well start there. Okay, so I hope the audio is okay because I'm using the mic at a different level. You can watch this video. Let me see. So they've got some really nice features in there where you can actually transcribe your video audio file, and you can clone your voice, and you can actually edit the script of the transcription of your file and take out filler words or add words that should have been in there or that weren't in there and so on. I'll get into that as well, but that's a really nice feature in here. There's a lot of features, a lot of stuff going on here. I don't know why they put so much information here, but there's a lot of features in this, and I'm not really into audio levels and stuff and all this fancy stuff. I just want to use it to do a job, and that's it. But yeah, look at all these podcasters using Descript. Okay, this is what I was talking about. So you can fix mistakes by actually just typing what you wanted or what you should have said. So in this little GIF demo, so they put it last weekend over Szechuan chicken. It should have been biscuits. You just click on that biscuits, and now the actual audio file gets changed to say biscuits, even though you didn't say that. That is one of the most amazing features of this app. That's what I like. And that's why I say it a lot. So you can use this to take out the filler words, the words, and so on. I'm not going to play that. And literally just say again, okay? You can sound like a pro with noise removal, so I probably should use this more for my editing. 'Cause I like to just quickly record the video, put it into Camtasia. I just levels a little bit, like to get it out. But if I was doing a podcast or something, if I was doing really professional video, I'd go in and tinker with it. And, use all these features I'm paying for. Okay, so look at everything for your full workflow: record, transcribe, collaborate, promote, share, publish. They've got a fully featured video editor, which I'll be honest, I've not used it. I just stick with Camtasia because I'm paying for that, and I know how to use that. And I haven't got the extra time to learn something else. But for what I need, this really does a good job. Let's have a quick look at video editing. Okay, edit video by editing text. That's pretty cool. You can take out a whole scene. That's really nice. Multi-track, non-destructive. Titles and captions. Actually, I should try this really. It looks pretty cool. Okay, yeah, and this is one of the features I use it for is Overdub. So you can create text-to-speech voices with your own voice. So my voice isn't the greatest. Sometimes I get sore throat, I get cough, I can't do it. So I've got another YouTube channel where I've actually tried this. I wrote a whole script. I can't remember how long it was. The video was good, maybe 4 or 5 minutes. And I just wrote a script in Descript in the software, in the downloaded software. And I used my pre-recorded Overdub voice, where I only had about 3 files, and they recommend more. But the way it works is you upload your video or audio files, you let Descript process it, and then you go through word by word, and you correct it, or you just make sure it's all correct. And then Descript understands your voice. It's got your voice clone. And then with that, you can create pretty much unlimited content. I think Overdub is unlimited. You can create as many files as you want to. And you don't need to worry about using robot voice. I'm not being penalized so far with using any of these Descript Overdub voices, because it is my voice. It does sound a bit clunky sometimes. that's why the more information, the more video, the more data you give it, the better it will work. And yeah, that's, you can just literally, you can actually use them. You can use other speakers, but you have to have their permission. So they have to read, I think it's about a 3-line script where they confirm that they give permission for you to use their voice. So you can't just grab like some famous person and use their voice and try and rip them off, pretend that, you know, they're doing your video. You have to read a certain script. Let me see. Let me get to that. So you're commenting, live collaboration, and so on. Overdub. Here we go. This is the feature. I'll get to pricing in a second, but Overdub is only available in the professional plan. So here's some examples. So, okay, so they have got stock voices as well, which I tried and they're pretty good. But you can, yeah, you just create your own AI clone of your voice. It works amazingly well. Ultra realistic. It's free on all Descript Pro account. I think in the free plan you get to say 1,000 words. I think you get to test it. I'll have to check that in a second. You can blend it. You can do all sorts of stuff. And this is the thing: you can have multiple voices. So if you've got someone else you work with, you can get them to also. You can actually run a whole podcast just from Overdub, which is unique. And you can edit your script, and it will actually fix your audio for you. Okay, I'm not going to do that. Where's the transcription? Let me go back to the beginning. So let me go to product. Oops, product transcription. Now you get. Actually, I forgot. I think it's 6. Let me just make sure. I think it's 600 hours, was it? The transcription is very good. It's true for professional transcription. You can pay a lot of money for it, but you get a certain number of hours in the premium package. I think you can always upgrade for more. Let me get to the pricing. We'll be on the pricing because this is the plan that I'm on. I'm paying monthly, and I'm on this plan here, which is the Pro plan. Annually is $24 a month, but you have to pay up front. So monthly is $30. There's not much more. It's worth trying it. I wouldn't recommend the creator plan because that's not worth it for the features. But you can sign up for free and get, how much do you get? 1,000 words. Okay, so you get 30 hours of transcription a month. Unlimited overdub. Let me just check something, 1 second. I was looking at my account. Do I get the same? Go to my subscription. Okay, yeah, I get 30 hours, yeah. Because I've been on it for about 6-7 months now. I've not really looked at my my plan. Okay, same plan. So in this plan, you get everything is free. So you get all of this stuff: free audio and video editing, unlimited screen recording, studio sound effects. What's this? Okay, we get a watermark-free video, and we get so 30 hours of transcription a month, unlimited overdub. So you get all the ultra realistic text to speech. You get Filler Words Pro, so it detects words like, like, you know, and all that, repeated words, and what was it gone? And other semantically contextual filler words. Audiograms Pro, I've never used that, so not sure what that is. Publish Pro, I'm not sure what that is, but you can publish up to 3 hours long. Okay. Batch file export. Now, yeah. One annoyance I have with Overdub is that it can be pretty slow sometimes. Sometimes it's super quick. Like today, I just tried it in now for a demo. I'm going to show you in a second. It was super quick to transcribe. It was really, I was surprised how quick it was. Sometimes it can drag on for a while. It was really quick. You get custom drive and page branding, so you can do collaboration and stuff. And you can go for custom. Okay, so in this demo, what I did is download a 1-minute video from YouTube. Just use this website to quickly grab the video. And this is the actual application for Descript. This is the download portion of the software that you must have. So you run it on your own PC. So I just downloaded the video, and what was that? And I just put it into Descript, and now you can see it's grabbed everything from the video. So I can just put this into a blog post or share this content, put it on social media. For example, obviously not rip off someone else's video, but for example, this is what you can do. And if I had this voice trained into Descript, I can go in there and edit this script and just get this to say whatever I want it to say. So this is like a very unique feature that I need to emphasize how good this feature is. And the overdub feature especially, which leads onto this, is where you can write a whole script and get it to say everything in there. So you can do pretty much unlimited voiceover videos as long as you feed it a lot of content and you correct it and you spend the time preparing it. You can actually do quite well with it. Now I do have some videos in there, but I can't really show them because there's some other channels that I don't want everyone to copy. So let me just quickly see if I can show you an overdub example without giving away too much. So even if I blur it, it'll be too much information on the screen. Let me just see quickly. One second, my phone's going. I can't really show you, I'm sorry. I was planning to do a full demo of that. But let me just show you this. Let me see what I can do with just this demo.
Hello and welcome to 1 Minute Wednesdays.
So for example, you see how it stops at the right place and it highlights the words. So if I wanted to insert a word here, that's the exact position that it's at. I can just put another word there, and then it will just add the word and the audio into there if I had overdub set up properly with the actor's voice or with my voice or whatever. So you can actually edit this script as you go along, and then you see on the left it says speaker, so I can have multiple speakers. So if I've got an actor's voice, a voice actor or voiceover person, and I've got permission to use their voice, I can actually use their voice to make them another speaker and just edit this script as I go along. And export this as a video, as an audio file, or obviously just put all the text into a blog post, whatever you want. What's this? You can playback speed and so on, but let me just try one more time. Let me see if I can just quickly show you something. Let me just pause the video for a second. Okay, I can't show you too much, but I'm going to blur some of these details. But this is the actual overdub voice, so I've got my overdub voice as my name. So I had to read a script first, and then upload that audio file to Descript. They verify it, make sure that I'm the person. So I read through the script. It has to be the exact script that they've given. Sorry, I got interrupted there. So this is the overdub voices. So this, because it's just me here, of course, so it's my name here. You can have voice styles. So let me see. It's probably okay. Let's see what the style. How can you? And whoops. Okay, that's just my standard default styles. I can have maybe excited or something, or I don't know what the styles there are. See, and it says here verified. So they verify that I read the script and I've accepted that it's my voice or whatever, one of my employees or whatever. I can use it. Now open training. Okay, let me see if I can. Okay, I think, why is it using this file? Let me see, is this using this? Okay, this is one of my, it's one of my videos. Have I not done this voice already? This is why I get a little bit confused with Descript. I think I've already trained this video, that's why it's purple. But here you see I've got all these, so this is basically one of my videos from this channel, I believe. Is it? I think it is, yeah. And then what you do is you go through it and you correct the words. So let me see if I can put the volume down a little bit. Give me a second. Let me put it all the way down. Okay, press play. Where's play? I hereby verify that I... Oh, yep. Where is that from? This is weird because it's confusing me where it's from. But that was part of the verification. I don't know if you heard that. But you have to read that script. But let me see. Let me start from here. Okay, here we go. So yeah, this is a review from this channel. That must have been a different verification video. So let me press play here. 1 second. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing one of my... So you see how the words I'm saying is highlighting them? Or mainly WordPress hosting. And it's called 5... I'm not sure how loud it is. Let me just There's a few reasons why I like them. I've been with them for just. I'm not sure because I don't really play audio in the background of my videos normally. Okay, I'll let it go and I'll try and edit in post, see what happens. I don't want it to be too loud. It's very good. What you can do now, just follow the script. It's pretty good, even with my mumbly voice. It is very accurate. I think I'd say probably 90% accurate at picking up my mumbly voice. So if you speak a lot more clearly than me, then you'll love this. So I went in there and I corrected some of the words that I mumbled too much and didn't understand. Let me pause this right here. So all you do, you'd go in and you highlight the word, and you can do correct or overdub. So I'll go in there and do correct, and it will just correct that word, and it will understand now. When I use this word, like for example, hosting next time, this is how I say it with my own voice. Or I can overdub it, which means it will change the video file, the audio file to the overdub voice. Yeah, and so on. So this is quite a long. How long is this video? I can't see the timer. So far it's a minute, but I think it's like a 10-minute. Is there a timer on that? There is, yeah. My screen is very colours messed up. About 12-minute video. So I think this was the long video I gave it, and I gave it. I think maybe I messed it up. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. Okay, I messed it up somehow. But this is a long video that I gave it to train it. So I put one 12-minute video. I think the script video to authorize my voice, and one other short video I put in there. The only 3 videos I put in there for it to create an overdub. I actually managed to get a couple of videos, short videos, because I didn't want to do long ones. But I wanted to try it to see if they get banned by YouTube. And how many months it's been? It's been a couple of months now, and they're still online. They're still getting some views. And I used what's it called? Not Google Voice, Amazon Polly, to create some to try text to speech and some other apps, and there's so many apps out there, and that didn't go so well because I used to get them spam reports on their videos, and I got a couple of channels banned. And some of them I just had the audio file, like a static image, to see, and it's still got banned because of the robo voice. But with your own voice and overdub, I mean, it's a win-win. You can create unlimited content. So yeah, I suppose because it's doing the work on your own system. I don't know how it works between. I should email them and ask them how does it work. Is it doing the processing on your own system, or maybe I should do a check myself, see what resources it's using anyway. I'm getting beyond the point. Anyway, that was a very small demo. But the main thing is, to make it work for you, you have to give it the help it needs to create your overdub voice for it to work well for you. Let me see. I'll get rid of this one now. Let me get rid of that one. Okay, so you go to the link below. You can get to Descript. You can obviously do the free trial. But really, I mean, for $30, you can try it for a month. Use it extensively. At least spend 2 or 3 days uploading your videos and just going through the overdub feature and getting your voice right in there to see how it works for you. And I'd be very interested to see if you leave a comment below, see if it works for you. Because for me, my voice is a bit too difficult for it to work with. That's why I wasn't really getting the best results. Also, I didn't give it enough information. So really, I need to give it more content for it to understand my voice. I need to speak a bit slower. But yeah, if you're using it for podcasting especially, you'd really love this. I have to be honest, I can't tell you about video editing because I've not used it. So beginner podcasters, yeah, professional podcasters, vlogging. Let's see what they say about vlogging. Video to transcribe it. Yeah, that's the main thing. Also, you can use it for creating subtitles. I'm pretty sure you can export as is it VST or SRT file or something. I read it somewhere. It's an audio video that works like a document, which is true. Okay, I've got to go in a second. My phone's going again. But I hope you find this useful. It's my first video for a while, but I'm hoping to get several more up. I've got a few ready to go, but I just don't have the time to edit them. So again, click on the link below. Leave me a comment if you actually sign up and use it or you're interested. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, bye.